Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use AI Live Captions on LENOVO Yoga Slim 7. So before we start using them, let's first configure them. So open your Start menu, go to Settings. Here in Settings we have to open Accessibility tab on the sidebar, and after that scroll down to Captions. Now let's toggle them on. Then click Yes, Continue, and then wait until the live captions are set up. Windows will start downloading the default language. The default one is your system language. We can change the language by clicking this gear icon in the top right corner of the captions bar and selecting Change Language. As you can see, this bar is fully movable, so you can just drag it and put it in any spot of your screen. So now select the language, click Continue, and now whenever we play some media that has words in it, for example, let's play something from our channel.
Hi guys, in front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate charging sounds and vibration.
As you can see, it will detect and input words in this bar.
Let's enroll settings.
And we can also customize all the customize the captions by tapping the gear icon, changing the position, preferences, and that's pretty much it. And one important thing that I wanted to mention is that you can actually use a shortcut, and if you go to Accessibility Captions, we'll see this shortcut, which is Windows Ctrl L. So press these three buttons together on your keyboard, and this will turn the captions on. And if you want to change your caption style, you can do it in the dedicated menu on this page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.